Here are the different examples of how to install cornices. So this one right here would be an example of an IB shade with an IB cornice. So as you can see, this part is open so we can demonstrate for you what's going on. And on this side, we have the inside of the window. So what you do is when this cornice that has no returns on the side is not installed yet, you would place it down on a table and you would install the open roll brackets for the shade straight up into the cornice's dust cap on both sides. Then you will install the cornice straight up into your windowsill with the screws that come with your shade. Then once that is installed into the inside of the window, the brackets that are already there, you install your shade. So that's IB. Now OB, you would have a blind that has the same open roll brackets, but you will turn them to the side this way and you will install them straight into your wall because they were ordered OB. So you would install them straight into the wall and then install your shade. Then for the cornice, this is an example of an OB cornice. You will receive these L brackets that are OB for the cornice. So these brackets will be installed above your outside mount shade, above it in intervals, how it explains in the guide. And then the OB cornice, that's like right here with the returns, is placed over those L brackets that you installed and screwed in to the cornice. And that's how you install an OB shade versus an IB shade with cornices.